Everybody, this is Daniel, aka Dan the Man. We're here in Auburn, Maine. We're on a discontinued road. It's called the Spring Road. When I was young, we used to drive our cars down here. It was not a discontinued road. And we go parking with our girlfriends and stuff and maybe sneak a beer or something. But anyways, we're going to walk down the trail today and we're going to give you a look at it, all right? Let me spin you around. I'll be right back. Here we go. We're back. We're going down the trail. It's a nice trail. Very easy walking. You know, it's been raining all night out here. So we got puddles everywhere. Had to put on the bean boots. Keep my shoes from getting muddy. So it is hunting season, but here we are in Auburn. And I believe there's a no firearms or shooting ordinance within city limits. So I'm not wearing any orange, but I should be all right. But it's really nice here. This path borders the lake. This is the Lewiston Auburn drinking water supply, Lake Auburn, which has been stocked with salmon and togue, which is lake trout, for years, and it produced some pretty phenomenal fish. Not uncommon to see 18-pound lake trout, 15-pound salmon. I haven't fished it for a long time. Used to fish it all the time. If you like this sort of content, please like, share, and comment. We want to hear what you're thinking. If it had been a little colder last night, it would have snowed. But it was around 40 degrees. Same temperature it is now, so we got rain. But it's coming soon, very soon. I've already fired up the snow blowers, have them all gassed up and ready to go. As we get a little closer down to the shore of the lake, I'll try to take you down there. Hopefully I have enough time. I have a short window of opportunity today. Quite busy, day before Thanksgiving and all. And I'd like to wish all my YouTube subscribers and all you on YouTube a happy and wonderful Thanksgiving with you and your family. Hope you have the best. Check the time here. We're doing good. Hey, leave a comment below. I'd like to know, what's your favorite pie for Thanksgiving? Oh, there's the lake. You can see it barely through the trees over there. Might be a better view down here a little bit. This is a real big lake. Years ago, I remember me and some friends, we had rented a boat from a gentleman at the north end of the lake. He had a little store there and rented boats. And so we rented one and we went out into the big lake. Oh, is that a mistake? Well, look at that big old glacier boulder right there. That's a pretty big one. Of course, not as big as the one we saw. If you've been watching some of my other videos, we've been to the biggest glacier drop boulder in the state of Maine. And it's quite impressive. I have a picture of my wife standing in front of it, and it's completely dwarfed. It's crazy. Here we go. Oh, hey, look. Here's a path. Let's go down by the water and give you a better view of the lake. You never know what we might see. There we go. Be careful not to slip on any wet rocks. Been there, done that. Woohoo! Talking about taking a spill. That was many years ago. I learned my lesson well. There's never, never too much room for caution. Here we go. There's smallmouth bass in here. There's chain pickerel, white perch, yellow perch, lake trout, and salmon. All stocked, of course. All right. All right, let's move on.